Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Konami. So this is regarding year 2025 forecast, the year of the horse. So if you were born in the year of the horse, you can choose from the zodiac die, the planet die, and this red bracelet. Okay? So pili ka lang ng isa dyan. This is a general reading, by the way. If it doesn't resonate, please do not take the message. And in this reading, we're going to tackle yung mga bagay na for 2025, kailangan mong abangan, kailangan mong iwasan, at yung mga dapat mong tutukan. Okay? So, again, for paid personal readings, send me a private message. And let's see. If you have chosen the green one, this is your dapat abangan, dapat iwasan, and dapat na tutukan. Okay. Pause the video if you need more time. Okay. Now, let's proceed. Andali. Pwede ba itong ma-adjust? Hindi. Okay, so number 3, tapos ito number 2. Okay, if you have chosen the green die, ang dapat mong abangan is King of Swords reversed. Someone na maninira ng reputation mo, someone na dudugasan ka, or maybe this is already going on, maybe years before, months before, alam mo na kung sino to. Probably a Gemini, Aquarius, Libra, not necessarily. But this is someone na sobrang talino, kaso sayang kasi yung talino niya, ginagamit niya sa panduruga, sa pangloloko. Very tuso. At saka parang siya, tawag nito, yung kawalan niya ng achievements, dinadaan niya na lang sa yabang. At saka kung anong accomplishments mo or accomplishments ng iba, pagka nahihigitan siya, binabash niya or parang minamaliit niya. So, abangan mo kung anong magiging role niya sa 2025. Pwedeng ikaw yung magiging reason para matigil na siya sa yabang niya. Pwedeng ikaw yung maging reason as to wala nang maniniwala talaga sa kanya at all, or pwede rin makulong. Kasi lawyer din ng swords eh. Law and order din ng swords. There's also something about you maybe disclosing something na secret niya, na parang yung totoo niyang kulay mailalabas mo. Or pwede ring ito yung may issue kayo sa isa't isa na parang finally you can put an end on it. Na hindi niya na magagamit yung kasinungalingan niya against you, to ruin you, to sabotage your opportunities, or worse, to make the public despise you. Okay? So that's for you. Now let's proceed naman sa mga dapat mong iwasan. King of Pentacles reversed. Umiwas ka sa mga easy money scams. Umiwas ka sa mga taong magpo-propose ng negosyo pero ang dami namang negosyong hindi pumatok, hindi na manage ng maayos, or madaling magsawa na kind ng tao na kung ano-anong sinisimulan pero hindi naman kinukumpleto. I'm being drawn to the bull, so maybe this is a Taurus, not necessarily. Pero Pentacles are Virgo, Capricorn, and Taurus energy. Huwag ka mag-concentrate dun sa zodiac sign. Dun ka sa reputation niya. Materialistic siya kahit hindi niya afford. Nangungutang siya just to have something na gusto niya. Pero hindi niya naman na-manage ng maayos yung pera niya. So, iwasan mo yung mga ganitong tao. And if may ganito kang personality, year of the horse, iwasan mong maging ikaw tong King of Pentacles na to. Okay? Now, sa mga dapat mong tutukan, ang dapat mo raw tutukan is yung mga dapat unahin, dapat i-prioritize. If you have been prioritizing other people's needs, other people's concerns in the past few years or months, parang for 2025, unahin mo sarili mo. Okay? There are things na you may think na kailangan hindi ako mag-give up sa mga bagay na to, pero if it's taking a toll in your mental health, your physical health, at marami ka ng obligations sa sarili mo, sa pamilya mo, sa loved ones mo na laging natetenga kasi may inuuna kang iba, then it's time to prioritize yourself. Especially around March, April, May, maybe merong malaking favor na hihingin sa'yo. Tapos meron kang gustong simulan na matagal mo nang gustong simulan, unahin mo yung gusto mong simulan. Okay? So that's for you. Number 1, if you have chosen the green die. Let's proceed, guy. Number 2, if you have chosen the blue die, ang dapat mong abangan for 2025 is the High Priestess reversed. I don't think this is you. This is someone around you, probably a Cancer or a Pisces, not necessarily. Pero this is someone na, tawag nito, this is someone na punong-puno na. Parang nagtitimpi siya for a very long time. Tapos parang punong-puno na siya, hindi niya na i-contain yung issue niya with her situation. Pwedeng involved ka sa situation or pwedeng mawi-witness mo lang yung situation niya na parang this time, hindi nyo na ako mauuto, hindi na ako magpapakamartir, hugas kamay na ako sa situation na to. Abangan mo yung breakdown niya. Let's see why. Anong mangyayari pag na-witness mo yung pagbe-breakdown ni High Priestess reversed? Okay. Either pag nag-breakdown siya, may maraming options for you. Parang may ma-open na situation na finally you can choose what to do with a specific situation. Pwedeng property, pwedeng relationship. Let's say this is a person na, parang over the years, she's taking over something. Tapos, pag breakdown niya, parang finally you have your chance to actually control the situation or to actually manage it according to however you want. So, yun ang dapat mong abangan. Okay? Now, sa mga dapat mo namang iwasan, for you, number 2, Queen of Pentacles reversed. Iwasan mong, I'm not sensing this is about money. Iwasan mong mawalan ng second, option or parang second choice. Parang, kasi yung Pentacles, I'm not sensing it's about money. It's more like planning something or making sure you know everything about a specific situation. Tapos iwasan mo na matenga kasi isang situation na hindi mo alam yung gagawin kasi hindi mo pinagplanuhan ahead. So, make sure na parang you always have one or two steps you're always one or two steps forward or ahead of everybody. Para in case magkaroon ng problem, alam mo gagawin mo. Iwasan mong maging Queen of Pentacles reverse na parang, ay, hindi ko alam gagawin ko, bahala na. Iwasan mong maging ganun. Okay? Now, ang dapat mong tutukan, Two of Cups reversed, yung mga nakaaway mo, nakatampuhan mo, kailangan mo silang tutukan. Let's see, may revenge story ba? Yes, merong revenge story. Meron kang nakaaway, nakatampuhan na parang hindi nila mag-gets kung bakit nasa iyo pa rin yung favor ng public or bakit andyan ka pa rin, hindi ka natitinan. This person may be a Libra, Aquarius, Gemini. But this is someone who will try to ruin your reputation. Pero the fact na Queen of Swords reversed siya, akala niya lang matalino siya, pero hindi. There's a big possibility na this person will try to ruin your reputation, pero pag kinonfront, aatras. Pag hininga ng ebidensya, sasabihin hindi ako nagsabi, kahit siya naman talaga yung nagsabi. So, try to focus on this person kasi baka may masabotage siyang opportunity na supposedly for you. Pero dahil pinaniwalaan yung story niya, baka hindi na ibigay sa'yo. Okay? Now, that's for you. Let's proceed, guy. Number 3, if you have chosen the red bracelet, ang dapat mong abangan for 2025, Eight of Cups, is an opportunity to finally leave a very emotionally draining situation, relationship, friendship, whatever is applicable. Parang siguro dati you're always thinking na kung aalis ako lalong magkakagulo. 2025, especially around June, July, August, aalis ako bala kayo sa buhay nyo. Uunahin ko mental health ko. So, yun ang dapat mong abangan, yung opportunity to finally choose yourself. Now, ang dapat mo namang iwasan is Seven of Pentacles, yung paghihintay sa wala. Parang kung hindi ka na-update, hindi ka binibigyan ng details about something, and you feel like hindi naman needed yung presence mo, leave. Don't stay there staring at the situation, what am I going to do with the situation, pero yung mga involved sa situation, wala namang interest to give you any heads up kung ano bang dapat mong gawin. If you feel like you're not needed, leave. Iwasan mong matenga sa same na situation na walang gustong magbigay ng update sa'yo kung anong magiging progress. Now, sa dapat mong tutukan instead is Three of Wands reversed. Reconsideration of your situation. Parang connected to dito. Huwag kang magpakatenga sa situation kasi marami ka pang options. Reconsider the plan. Baka meron pang ibang opportunities out there na maswak sa plano mo. Okay? So, that's for you. Again, for paid personal readings, just send me a private message. And, yeah, that'll be all. Bye!